Working on my trailer, getting ready to caulk the roof, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to do a pro tip on how to create a good looking and solid caulking bead. So after you've cleaned and prepped your area you're going to caulk, run some painter's tape on either side of where you want to caulk at, and you can go ahead at that point and get your caulking and fill it in. This is actually a trailer roof, so it is going to take this special black caulk here. This will apply to any type of caulking you're going to do though, and you really want to get in there. You can utilize a generous amount here. The seal at the end is what's most important. So we'll get that line ran there. Alright, so I've got that side taken care of all the way down. Now, what I'm going to use here is, this is just a toilet paper roll. And what you want to do, start at the end. I don't know if this part's on camera or not, but I'm just using the toilet paper roll to basically go along that caulking seam. Got a couple of weld joints slightly sticking out. That's okay, I'll just work around them. Come back up. And then I go on the top edge, get any excess that's there off. Go along the bottom edge one more time. Concentrating more on the bottom than I am the concave portion. And there we go. You can wet your finger, and soapy water works good. You can just use your saliva as well. Basically, you're just making sure everything's smoothed out and there's no air pockets. Alright, so once you've got to that point, I'll just peel off this bottom section because the top section I need to use moving forward, but this will give you the idea of what you're going to be looking at here. So once you peel the tape back, you've got a perfect caulk joint. Nice and sealed up, nice and straight. No mess, no fuss, nothing to clean up. So, pro tip on caulking. Hope you enjoy it. Have a great day.